Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Melissa here. I know it's been a while, but here I am with another hair tutorial. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I transformed from blonde to grey, and as I didn't want to bleach my roots again, I thought this was the best option for me, and hope you really like it. So if you'd like to know how I've achieved it, please keep on watching. Let's get started. This was actually meant to be an ombre video, but I messed up, so I changed it to a blonde to grey video instead, but don't tell anyone. It's just because I didn't want to waste the footage that I've already made. You usually can just simply set this color on dry hair, but because it was supposed to be ombre, I did it on slightly damp hair, which is also fine. I'm using my new favorite color, L'Oreal Dialight 811 Charcoal Milkshake, which is an ammonia-free toner, my favorite, if I haven't mentioned it before. I mixed half of the tube with a 1 to 1.5 ratio volume developer. I would write everything down in the description box below. If you want yours to be lighter, you can use 15 volume or darker 6 volume. It's all up to you. And I then simply apply the color, which took me about like 10 to 15 minutes or less if you're quicker. Then left the toner on for another 15 minutes once done. This was a really simple tutorial, but it was more about getting the grey on your hair. I think it's still in. I really like it, and I haven't done it that dark till now. And yeah, and I hope you really like the color. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you soon. Bye.